Hey, it's Raven Jackson with NextHome Family Tree Realty. Welcome and thank you for joining me. And yes, I'm in my car again. Have you ever wondered what a home inspection is and what the purpose is and who pays for it? Well, if you have, then stay tuned because that's what we're going to talk about right now. So if you're contemplating the purpose of a home inspection, it's probably because you're in contract. Congratulations. So a home inspection is done by a certified home inspector. They will come in and they'll check all the major functions of a home. Now, as part of the introduction of one of my favorite home inspection companies, he says, "We have inspected the major structural components and mechanical systems for signs of significant non-performance, excessive or unusual wear, and general state of repair." So that's basically what you're getting is, are the major components of the home in current working order before you close escrow? I always encourage my clients to have a home inspection, no matter what their financing is. Now, the purpose of this is because I usually ask for a home warranty in the contract as well. And the home warranty will fall back on the home inspection to make sure all of the major components were in working order when my clients bought the house. So even though a home inspector will point out minor issues such as a crack in a wall plate, the main reason they're there is to point out health and safety issues. For example, a bathroom that doesn't have GFCI protected outlets. Now for the question, who pays for the inspection? So even though the seller is entitled to all of the inspection reports that the buyer pays for, the buyer really pays for these inspections. Now in California, in Northern California, where we live in Solano County, a typical cost of a home inspection is around $430. It depends on the size of the home. That is up to, I believe, a 1,900 square foot home. But just to give you a rough idea, that's kind of what it costs. If you made it all the way to the end, thank you so much. Please subscribe and click the bell icon so you're notified when I upload new videos. And I'll see you in the next one.